I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube TV with Chromecast. Now, first off, on YouTube TV, you have to go to your actual TV first. Now, on your actual TV, you need to log into YouTube TV and then it'll show you an activation code just like this, right? Now, after that, you will need to go to either your phone or your desktop, and then you want to go to this URL right here, tv.youtube.com/start. After you go there, this is what it will look like here, right? You have to sign in to use your Google account. So just sign in with your email and then your password. Now, once you sign in, you'll be prompted to put in the activation code you got earlier from your TV, right? So if your activation code was 1234, and then put in 1234 on this page right here. Now, once you actually connect it, then your TV and then your phone will be connected on the same place here, right? So your YouTube TV on your YouTube TV and then your YouTube TV on your actual phone as well will be interconnected. Now, before you Chromecast, make sure you're on the actual same Wi-Fi network, right? Now, once you make that sure, you go to your YouTube TV app on your phone here, for example, and then, for example, I want to Chromecast my football match here onto my TV. I just tap on my football match first so I can start watching it. Now, once I start watching it, I just want to tap on the button on the upper right there to cast my screen right now to my TV, right? Now, once you tap on that, you will see connect to a device. Just tap on living room TV or just any whichever TV you have. And then that's it. Your match will now be casted onto your TV. Your match will now be casted onto your TV. And then that's it. You're done.